Welcome to this brand new fully custom 15,000 square foot mansion, including 6 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms. Situated in the gated community of the Banks at Hendriks Pointe in Keswick, Edmonton, Alberta, Canada.
Hey guys, it's Mathew here with eXp Realty.
And I'm Dane, and we're here today to show you our newest listing, number 143466 Keswick Boulevard.
Come check out a $4.68 million mansion right here in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada.
Stepping onto this property is like walking into an alternate universe of modern luxury. Incredible open floor plan from floor to ceiling. The designer spared no expense in crafting this breathtaking owner's retreat. When we step through the large double-door entrance, we're greeted by flawless white ceramic tiles flowing seamlessly throughout the house. Dual formal living rooms are steeped in craftsmanship with floor-to-ceiling windows, automated blinds, and electric fireplaces, sophisticated climate control, and entertainment system. Moving into the heart of this home, the kitchen immediately commands attention with its enormous center island and more storage space than you could ever need. Quartz countertops flow seamlessly into stylized backsplashes that give this culinary canvas its unique character and charm. With a spacious spice kitchen adjacent to the main kitchen, the designated chef's area is fully equipped with high-end appliances and all the amenities you need to cook up a storm, ready to serve in the formal hardwood floor dining area. Moving up the majestic, curved staircase, to the second floor we find the master bedroom. It is soaked in natural sunlight, with in-floor heating for cozy winter nights. In the main bathroom, we find a contemporary freestanding bathtub and massive shower. The main bedroom's walk-in closet is bigger than most stores, giving you an excuse to go on a shopping spree for a whole new wardrobe. In total, there are 4 exquisite hotel-style bedrooms with beautiful onyx hardwood floors, each featuring a spacious walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom, and private outdoor balcony, offering awe-inspiring views of the rolling hills and the iconic North Saskatchewan River. It's an entertainer's dream home, perfect for dining, entertaining, and relaxing, with a luxury home cinema with surround sound to relive decades of movie magic. Downstairs, we also have a spacious guest bedroom suite, as well as a basement bar, a fully equipped gym, and multiple walkouts to the lower patio area. This mansion includes a private elevator that escorts you straight up to the sky, offering unreal 360 views of the entire neighborhood. From your own private expansive rooftop deck, it's to die for. What more could a homeowner want? This magnificent mansion is just 10 minutes from life's necessities. World-class shopping at Currents of Windermere. The world's flavors are available at the many restaurants. Top schools like Joey Moss and Joan Carr Catholic Elementary and Junior High. 3 golf courses including the private Windermere Golf and Country Club. Walking trails, boutique fitness centers. It's all just a short drive away. This is 143466 Keswick Boulevard. This is opulence personified. This is what luxury living should be. To view this marvel of design and architecture with your own eyes, contact Mathew or Dane
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching today.
If you're looking to book a private tour, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'd love to bring you through this beautiful mansion here in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada.
Thank you for watching this episode of our luxury listing series. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see what the Hop Realty team has in store next.